Hello, welcome to Baking Your Way Through Depression. I'm your host, Griffins. Tonight we're going to be making my famous double chocolate cookies because can't stop thinking about the fact that I might be a piece of shit. So, see you in the kitchen. And we're back in the kitchen. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to beat together. Okay, first, PSA announcement. This is like a supersized recipe that I'm about to give y'all. Have everything I'm about to say. Just cut it in half for a normal amount, okay? Trust me, you're not trying to make 60-something cookies like I'm about to, all right? Just want to throw that out there because I'm not going to do it for you. You're going to have to do the conversion for yourself, okay? So first I got 2 sticks of butter, a cup of regular granulated sugar, and a cup and a half of brown sugar. We're gonna beat that all together and we'll go from there. All right, make sure you scrape down your sides. Should look something like this. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're gonna mix it all up again, and then we're gonna start adding our eggs. It's gonna be a total of 4. 4. So again, that's 4 eggs. So what I normally do at this point is I leave my mixer, my stand mixer, I'll leave it on 1 or 2, and then I move on to the next part, which is putting the flour and stuff in another bowl. So we're gonna go over and do that. All right, this is what I call the dry bowl, okay? It's got 3 cups of flour, a cup of cocoa, a teaspoon baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. So we have to mix that all up. I usually use a butter knife. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. All right, as you can see, it's all mixed up on the inside, just like me. And what we're gonna do is combine this with this after I scrape down the sides, because you have to scrape sure you scrape down the sides, otherwise it's not gonna come out right. At least that's what my head keeps telling me. Once you get it looking about this, it's time to add the chips. So this is what it looks like, a little lumpy. It's got the milk chocolate chips in it. Okay, so what you gotta do at this point, scrape down the paddle, scrape down the sides, chill it in the fridge for 20 minutes. That's just so the dough can set. It makes it easier to roll it in the balls, trust me. So you're gonna roll them into little balls about a tablespoon big. Toss them in the oven for about 9 minutes. Really, it's 9 minutes exactly. We got cookies. So, this is what they look like. It was actually 11 minutes, not 9. New stove, new cooking time. So yeah, let's go ahead and try one of these. This one got smushed on the way out because the oven mitt. It's a lot of chocolate, but it's good.